घर के बारे में पता चलेगा. See, I come from the northeastern part of India. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. So I want people to know more about my home. लैंग्वेज का तो नहीं होगा कोई, like it won't be a barrier. चैनल लोग भी पूछ रहे थे मुझे कि it could be a problem, but अभी confirmed वाला निया शर्मा, I think she's coming, and मैंने थोड़ा research किया तो I found her as like I think she's a very fun person. Hi, this is Chum Darang and you are watching me on Filmy Beat.
हाय गाइस, दिस इज़ किन्नरी सिंह. वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट. एंड आज हमारे साथ हैं चूम, जो कि बिग बॉस 18 में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगी. तो सबसे पहले आई नो देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ नर्वसनेस, एक्साइटमेंट, बट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, so starting with the interview, हम सब जानते हैं you have been part of some really let's say exciting projects of this industry, and जो आपने roles भी किए हैं, it can be more or less in length, but the impact till now people actually remember you for those projects. So जब आप इस तरह के projects करते हैं, people they can't actually imagine, especially your fans, that you would be part of this reality show. So tell me something, किस तरह से ऑफर आया? Were you always prepared for doing Big Boss or it just happened?
तो yeah, like talking about the journey, films का बहुत थोड़ा like different है because there's a character given to you,
right.
and यहाँ पे I'll have to be myself. तो nervousness तो it's there. I'm excited also. But पहले से ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं था कि बिग बॉस का ऐसा आएगा, कुछ करने को मिलेगा. But I'm looking at it as an opportunity to tell the world about where I come from, because अभी people will want to know more about me. तो उन लोग मेरे बारे में जब सर्च करेंगे तो उन्हें मेरे घर के बारे में पता चलेगा. See, I come from the northeastern part of India. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. So I want people to know more about my home, because it's so beautiful, it's so nice. Because people sometimes they tend to ask me questions like where are you from, and फिर जब मैं बताती हूँ उनको तो उनको समझ में नहीं आता. तो I think it's gonna be like an awareness that I'm creating for good. So I'm seeing it as an opportunity, as an awareness to that.
But when the makers offered you this show, was it an instant yes? You took your own time? You had some discussions with your family?
I was sure that I want to do this because see, I told you it's like an opportunity. Okay. It's like a gateway which will the world will now know about where I come from. So that was one of my main motives to enter. So I would have never said no.
Right. हमने अक्सर बिग बॉस में देखा है, एनी पर्सन, बी इट अ मैन और वुमेन, इफ़ दे कम फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट कंट्री और मे बी इन लैंग्वेज एक बैरियर होता है या एनीथिंग जो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, चाहे वो लहजे में हो, चाहे वो एक अलग कंट्री में हो, उन्हें कुछ मुश्किलें होती हैं. ठीक है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट यू, डू यू थिंक देयर इज सम चैलेंज यू आर गोना फेस इन दैट हाउस पर्टिकुलरली?
लैंग्वेज का तो नहीं होगा कोई, लाइक इट वोंट बी अ बैरियर. चैनल लोग भी पूछ रहे थे मुझे कि इट कुड बी अ प्रॉब्लम, बट I'd like to tell you that नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हिंदी बोला जाता है, लाइक स्पेशली इन माई स्टेट अरुणाचल प्रदेश, बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी मेजर ट्राइब्स, लाइक 26, 28, more than 100 sub tribes. तो सबका डायलेक्ट्स डिफरेंट है. सो हिंदी इज द लैंग्वेज दैट वी स्पीक देयर. तो हिंदी उसका कोई it's not going to be a problem, the language. And what was it?
Yeah, I mean anything you think is going to be challenge.
The challenge, I think, is sharing space, because सब strangers लोग आने वाले हैं. So I think that's going to be something tough for me because I've never shared my space with like anybody. तो वो थोड़ा सा like could be a problem.
Right. Most of the people जो Big Boss 18 में participate करेंगे, they'll be either from television या फिर social media के लोग. Do you know anyone, especially जिनके नाम अब तक speculations में बाहर आए हैं?
अभी confirmed वाला निया शर्मा, I think she's coming, and मैंने थोड़ा research किया तो I found her as like I think she's a very fun person. I would like to be friends with her. But others I'm not sure. मुझे like 0.1% भी idea नहीं who all are coming. So it's gonna be surprise. कल पता चलेगा कौन कौन आ रहा है. I think yeah.
Since you have worked in this industry, any industry friends who have given you advice या normal अगर बात हुई just about your participation?
So yeah, everybody who's been following the show, and my friend was also a part. So they all gave me one advice, which was to be true Be yourself. Don't try to be somebody. Don't try and pretend to be somebody else that you are not. So I think that was my mindset, like पहले से ही कि I am gonna be myself. तो वो they also said the same thing. So I'm gonna be that. Like
Yeah.
follow that.
Yeah. Can you tell who are they? I mean, if it's okay with you.
So yeah, no, my friends back home, everybody. Yeah.
Okay, right,
You know
right.
people.
Okay, okay. Now tell me something. We have seen, Big Boss में जब आप जाते हैं, of course, and especially it has especially happened with past 2 to 3 seasons that your personal life, your past life, जो बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होती है, and there are some part of your life which you don't want the world to know. वो भी makers लेके आते हैं, and then it definitely breaks you down. ऐसा कुछ fear है, ऐसा कुछ है मन में कि ऐसा, या फिर पहले से ही Big Boss को you have cleared that ऐसा कुछ सामने नहीं आना चाहिए, anything on those lines?
Nothing really, because I don't have anything specific to hide. तो I don't think it'll be a problem.
Yeah.
But फिर भी उन लोग कहीं से कुछ निकाल के लेके आए तो I don't know. Then it will be a different thing. But I don't think ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Have you ever watched any Big Boss season? Any favorite contestant of yours?
I have not followed, but I've watched a few clips because मैंने गूगल किया कि बिग बॉस बेस्ट कौन सा सीज़न है तो उसमें आया 13. तो I watched some of it and मुझे सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, like rest in peace, I really liked him, and शहनाज गिल मुझे बहुत पसंद आया.
Right. Okay. Lastly, how much are you ready? Because when once you go into that house, it can be emotionally very, very exhausting for you. There have been incidents where people have abused each other, people have slapped each other. So and there have been they have slapped. Okay, yeah. So उस माहौल में रह के how are you ready? You're just preparing yourself.
So like I've signed up for this. I know what kind of things might happen. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा I'm prepared. But थोड़ा डर तो obviously लग रहा है because I've never like ऐसा I can't abuse. So
Okay.
I'll have to learn some abhi before going in. But yeah, that is there. I'm scared, but ठीक है, I'll tackle everything. I've signed up for this, so I'll see क्या होता है.
Yeah.
But I think I'll take it as a challenge and I think I'll kill it.
Yeah. Is there any of your weakest point which you think अगर अब वो if someone like dabbles on that, it is going to be difficult for you?
I think like nobody likes disrespect of any kind. So that is something that I would not tolerate.
Okay.
Disrespecting my friends or like me could be in over anything. So that is something which really pisses me off. Right.
Okay, so wishing you all the luck and all the love for Big Boss 18. Just one last question. Big Boss also has been one of those reality shows जहाँ पे relationships have been formed, love has been blossomed. Some worked, some didn't work, some just happened for camera, and some has happened for lifetime. So of course nobody goes inside the house with that mindset कि we'll make a relationship. But if it happens, are you open to that, or you don't want to show that part of your life on national television?
So I'm very sure about what I want in life, what I don't want, and this is something that I'm 100,000% sure I don't want. Relationship,
Okay.
no. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm very sure about. But friendship करने के लिए I'm open to it. Like
Right.
I can make friends, but relationship a big no.
Right. And सलमान खान से मिलने के लिए उनकी गाइडेंस, उनकी डांट के लिए कितने रेडी हैं?
बहुत ready हूँ. But I'll try and not do things जिसके वजह से डांट मिले. Let's see. But I'm really excited to meet him in person.
Okay, wishing you all the best. Anything you want to say to the viewers?
Thank you so much. Guys, please make sure that I get all the love and support from your end, because this is the last time that I'm going to be conversing, like having this. This is the last time I'm having this conversation with you all, because I'll be inside the house very soon. And I would like to request all of you to send me the love, the support, and please vote for me. I will be at my best. Please vote for me. Thank you.